Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I am currently on my way to SFO. I'm gonna pick up one of my closest middle school friends. His name is Lesber. I think, I don't know if he's been on the channel. I don't think he has, but I'm on my way to SFO. I'll be there in about 7 minutes. But so he comes from Nicaragua, and he pretty much stays here for a weekend. Incidentally, this is the UFC White House card. Super hyped about that. We got this weekend planned. Saturday, I think we're heading out to a hike, but I think we also might hit the beach. I'm really down for volleyball. So yeah, we're gonna pick up Lesber, and then we might have something planned tonight. Maybe go to a brewery, see if the guys respond. Hopefully it makes it out the chat. Yeah, stay tuned. We got this beautiful fucking weekend. Let's go.
Sweet cheek.
What's good?
What's good?
Que lo fucking que, Bobby?
How you know I'm Dominican, pop?
What's good, Bobby? What's good?
What's good?
Good to see you, bro. Sheesh. Made it to Bear Bottle Menlo Park. About to have a couple flights. Salud, mi gente. Round two with Lesber. Round two. No Dusonomics today. So we just got done with Bear Bottle. We're heading to El Greasy or El Cruyense in Redwood City. One of the spots that I usually go to is the one right across from Costco. But a lot of people say that their favorite is the one right next to the library. So that's your favorite, no?
Yeah.
We'll see. We made it to El Greasy. Mandatory, gotta have the jalapenos, the onions. My boy got 2 tacos. He hungry. These are hella nice. Got the boys out here on the Santa Cruz, beach boardwalk. We're gonna play some volleyball. We made it. We out here with the boys. We out here. What you got in here? Just ice for the Palomas tequila. This is a mix right here.
We got a cooler.
We got 2 12-packs in here. Sheesh. Ready to go.
We ready. We got the volleyball. We about to play some volleyball out here. School some kids.
Bro, did you hear what happened in that?
All right. Headed to the beach. We got the speakers, the drinks.
Alright boys, we made it. Santa Cruz. We out here for UFC weekend. Today's Saturday. We're gonna enjoy the whole day at the beach. Later around the afternoon, we'll probably catch a volleyball game. All right, cheers, boys. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Lo que sea. What is it? What percent is that one?
Dream and IPA. This one is 5.6. Not bad.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, let's grab the beers and then. Perfect. I'm gonna. Perfect. Sheesh. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
Está buenísima. Buenísima.
It's a good hazy IPA.
Buenísima. Vámonos. We got one quart. We've been waiting here since 11 a.m. So we got a group of 5 or 6 just hit us up saying that if we want to play. So definitely, we're about to take that challenge right now.
All right. We're here at the volleyball courts. We're ready.
Came through. Some papitas. Out there? All right, hey, let's start the match and then you eat after. Vámonos. We're about to start the match. 5v6, so vámonos. Y'all ready? Listos? Two?
Way back.
I don't know. We on break?
We on break.
We on break?
We're about to win.
Unas michis, beer. We on break.
All right, baby. We got the yacht club here. Let me give you guys a little cross section. Ooh, look at that. God damn. Let's give it a bite. Mmm.
See a close up?
Ooh. Certified.
Lesber, what'd you get?
Neptune.
The Neptune.
No, Neptune. Turkey, chicken. Yeah, it's got some good
Turkey and chicken?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hella good.
I got the Castle Beach. Smoked brisket, onions, cheese, and sauce. Shit, boy. We about to head out. We about to head out. Back to the bay.
Walk the way, dude. Look at that fit, bro. Look at that.
That color coordination.
And my color's green.
So that's what Solomons are supposed to look like.
Jose, mátalo!
No! The worst way to end it, bro. Let him go out.
Hijos